Hey everybody, it's Ashley, and I thought it'd be a good idea to film a quick video on how I reupholster this thrifted ottoman I picked up a couple days ago. Be sure to stay tuned to the end to see the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. So the ottoman that I picked up the other day just came with this flimsy looking cushion, so I thought it'd be a good idea to utilize the scrap MDF board that we had laying around in the shop. What I'll do is I'll just trace a circle on it, have my husband cut it out, which will add an extra layer of sturdiness, and then we'll refabric it, which will add protection as well. So here my husband will be using the belt sander to clean up the edges, making sure they're nice and smooth. This will ensure a snug fit into this base of the ottoman. Fingers crossed it fits, and yay, it did! So here I am giving the ottoman a quick sanding. Everyone say hi to Macy. I'm using Minwax wood finish in the color dark walnut to really enhance this bohemian natural look. Sanding and staining is finished. Let's head inside now and start working on the cushion. So I gathered all of the necessities that I would need for this project, and I have some beautiful corduroy salmonish colored fabric, my handy scissors, and some really nice maroon colored fabric trim that I purchased from Joann's as well. And I've got my Stanley heavy-duty stapler that I'll be using for this project today. Also, Arrow staples. My hot glue gun is heating up and ready to rock and roll. I've got my cushion and my scrap MDF board. So here I am starting to staple the fabric to my cushion. Now this part could get a little tricky. You just have to make sure that everything is smooth and tight. So the fabric needs to be, well actually in this one I just took about maybe like a half an inch of fabric and then just stapled it down. So for the maroon trim, I decided to place it on the middle row of the top section. Here I'm going to be using hot glue and just kind of working my way around, making sure that everything is placed accordingly. It's time to place this beautifully fabric cushion back in its home. And we are done. Thank you so much for spending the first day of October with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out. As always, like and share this video because it really helps me grow my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. I really love chit-chatting with you guys, so please comment down below. And until next time, keep inspiring.